We just graphed y equals 1/2 x plus 1 squared minus 2. I just want to go back through at step number 3. We picked two x values near the axis of symmetry and we made our table. But you could also use the over and up method that we did with standard form. So if you don't want to use this table, you can use this over and up. So over is just how many times you go over from the axis of symmetry. So if I go over 1, then to calculate how far I move up, it's just your over squared, so whatever that number is, times the a. So for example, if I go over 1 unit from the axis of symmetry, I'll square it and I'll multiply it times our a value, which in this case, the a, which is the number in front of the parentheses, is 1/2. So 1 squared is 1 times 1/2 equals 1/2. So if I go up to my parabola here, and I start at the vertex, and I go over 1, then I just move up 1/2. And I'm right there at that point, which we had was 0 and negative 1/2. All right. If I went over 2 units, so if I go over 2 units from the vertex, it's 1, 2. I'd be at x equals 1. But we don't care about the x value. We just want to know how far do I go over. And then I need to know how far do I go up. So I'm going to take my over amount, which is 2, square it times 1/2. So 2 squared is 4. Half of 4 is equal to 2. So I'm going to go over 2, and I need to go up 2. And that puts me at this point. Now, for example, if I want to get to this point right up here, how far over would I have to go? From the vertex, that's over 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I go over 4, then it's your over amount, you're going to square it, times the a. So 4 squared is 16, and half of 16 is 8. So that means I'm going to go over 4 and go up 8. So I'm over 4 already. If I go up 8, I should be at that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm right there at the point. And then I just reflect all those points to get the left side. So when you're graphing quadratics, you can either pick values and make a table, or just think over is how many units you go over from the axis of symmetry. Take that number, square it, multiply it by the a, and that tells you how far to go up. So either method works. I think the over and up is pretty easy, and it's a lot quicker, but you choose whichever method works best for you.